fireman, you don't know. You see it? Mad thing. Justice, 17-year anniversary, the big birthday party. Big up DJ Jit. We live at the tailgate, aka Madhouse. And we going ham tonight. We going crazy tonight. 17 years, we ain't fucking around. This is what we do. OG's already checking in. Big up Cabra. The Jerry chicken man, him done check in. You see it? The ladies, them are check in. You see what I mean? Say 17-year anniversary, you don't know. Later on, Ding Dong, Super Twitch, Bionic Strap, DJ Jit over there, so EPC, Blood Gang, Mr. Swag, Dread Beat, Zar Black. A lot of groups here tonight, man. Sean, oh yeah, I don't say nothing, big up yourself. You see what I say? 17-year anniversary, later on, I just niceness. It's right now. Let's go and go check out the scene, man. Later on, I'll turn it up a notch. At. Later on, I will say, Jamaica massive, the Trini massive, Antigua massive, the VI massive. Party time!
Yeah. Super Twitch, the vibe way people trip beating and building us what I say. Later on, about this is a party not up till 5 o'clock in the morning. So no rush, no fasting. This is what I say. Every Friday night, tailgates right here. So go start it up in the streets like this, Dance of Justice. They're gonna try to take the water inside the road.
Oh, my Father, who art in Zion,
think God, ready out.
hallowed be thy name.
Sure.
Thy kingdom come on earth, thy will be done on earth.
Jacksonville.
Hallowed
Where to forget money,
be
yeah.
thy name.
Sure. What on the call?
Career justice respected. Remember that bomb buckler. You help me rise, I can't hate you. Big up Father Bun. New year I'm coming to set a new line at the bomb buckler city. But you sit tonight, Father Bun.
like a boat. One in the car, we 40 man. I push out in a band, no one see no other power, we 40 man. We know go to them a party man, don't feel your ass, party man. Tell me straight, some tell me about the God, never lace up, and I come and get me, I come tell you when you have the list straight up, say, lady, be like real, I even better see it, I know when you're going on, you think so, I don't really
Mr. Boy, I see some people who want to sing about. You can't even tell you to blood clot. Big up gunshot that is in the building. Cheer up, cousin of the penitentiary, don't know. Life goes on. As we say, everybody will support justice. Big up all the niggas serving time, man, who want to be here with justice tonight. Cause justice love together. This one man I say, go and party people, good to go. Come on.
Running the video, we're gonna get rich 2012. I don't care what a hater say. Let them know I'm with God. Y'all got my money, I got his back. I'm gonna get rich next year.
Pull up.